Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. This is our project title, Revocable Attribute Based Encryption with Data Integrity in Clouds. This is our abstract. The main objective of this project is to securely maintaining the files in cloud computing. We are using many types of encryption techniques. Attribute-based encryption has become a promising solution for encrypted data access control in clouds due to the ability to achieve one-to-many encrypted data sharing. Revocation is a critical requirement for encrypted data access control systems. After outsourcing the encrypted attribute-based ciphertext to the cloud, the data owner may want to revoke some data that were authorized previously, which means that the outsourced attribute-based encryption needs to be updated to a new one that is under the revoked policy. For the security purpose, we are going to convert the plain text into the ciphertext. For that, using a secure attribute-based encryption algorithm. For increasing the security level, the data is going to be transformed through the secure socket layer. The following layers are used in the process of files maintenance in cloud computing. This layer is responsible for storing the encrypted data and decrypted data. And this is our flow diagram. First we are going to start the process, and next we are going to choose our process data owner, and then we are going to register. If you new register, must register your detail. At the same time, to running the process of key generation, if you choose data owner, to click the master key. If you choose the data user, to click the secret key. After you completing register process, getting the user ID and password and then master key. If you are existing user, to directly log in. After the completing your login process, choose your files. Then private key generation process going to running. You will get the private key. Then completing your process to encrypt a particular file in attribute-based encryption. Then going to our next process to view the data encryption file. Then the particular encrypted file to stored in the cloud storage. Then we are going to start the data user process. If you completing your registration and then login process, you will get the username and password and secret key. If you log in the process, to search in the file and then to send the request for cloud server. The cloud server to accept the process to the user going to download the particular decrypted file. This is our project. Run the index.java. This is our project title, Revocable Attribute-Based Encryption with Data Integrity in Clouds. Click on Continue. To choose the users, one is data owner, another one is a data user. First click the data owner. If the new user, go to sign up page, then register your details, name, then password, then email ID, MSK means master key. So click key.java, then run the file, then click the master key, come back to data owner registration, click MSK button. This is our master key. Then register successfully. Then go to login page, enter your name, then password, then master key, then click login button, login successfully. Then search our dataset. This is our dataset. Then open, show the dataset. Then click on next button, then click view records, These are the files. Then click next button. This page is our encryption process. Click on private key. This is our private key. Then click on attribute based encryption button. This is our encrypted files. Then click next button. Click send to request. Request sending to cloud server. Then going to cloud login. Enter username. Then password. Then secret pin. Click login button. Cloud login successfully. Then view request button. This is our data set. Grant permission. Permission granted. Then go to next button. This page to view the all encrypted files. These are the encrypted files. Click next button. Then come back to this page. Click data user. If you view data user, click register. Enter the name. Then password. Then email ID. Then secret key, same process. Go to key generation. Click secret key. Then come back to click secret button. This is our secret key. Then click register. Register successfully. Enter our name. Then password. Then secret key. Then click login button. Login successfully. Search our particular files. The file name is, go to database. This is our Aadhaar number. Choose any one. Copy the Aadhaar number. Come back to search the Aadhaar number. Search result found. So click next button. Send request. Send request to cloud server. Then come back to click view request. The username, then Aadhaar number. Check user, valid user. Then grant permission granted. Then view request status. Permission granted. Receiver key. This is a private key. Then click next button. Then click decrypt. This is Aadhaar number. Decrypt successfully. Then download to view the document.